Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a super cute rainbow flower. Let's get started and have some fun together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker and draw a big circle right in the center of your canvas. This will be the middle of our flower. Great job! Now, let's draw 10 beautiful petals around the circle. Just make sure to space them out evenly all around. Look at that! Our flower is starting to take shape. Isn't it looking awesome already? Now that we've finished our flower, it's time to make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker. Go over all the lines to make our flower really stand out. Wow, that's looking amazing! But wait! Let's give our flower some personality. Draw two big, cute eyes in the center of the circle. And don't forget the happy smiling mouth right under the eyes. Now our flower looks like it's full of joy. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Let's grab our rainbow colors. Show the color pens and say, red color for the first petal. Orange color for the next petal. Yellow color for the third one. Green color for the fourth petal. Blue color for the next one. Indigo color for the next petal. Purple color for another one. And let's add pink color to finish it up. Doesn't our flower look bright and beautiful? Wow! Look at our happy, colorful rainbow flower. You did such a great job today. Thank you for drawing with me, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye, friends! Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.